Hello and welcome back to my channel, friends. Friends, today we are going to make 2D candles, that is the candles in 2D shapes using the silicone molds. Whenever we make candles, we usually take 3D shapes because that's how the molds are available in the market. So we usually make them in cylindrical, spherical or cuboid shapes, but today we are going to make it in plain 2D shapes, that is in rectangle and circular, and these will be flat candles, so it will be an interesting project to work out. For this project I have taken silicone molds, paraffin wax, tissue napkins, some brushes, wick sustainer, then a skewer, scissor and Mod Podge. I have been getting a lot of requests regarding decoupage candles, even though I have shown decoupage candle in one of my videos, so guys do check out that video as well. But today as well I'll be showing you how to do it on flat candles like this. So without any further wastage of time, let's start making our candles. So to begin with, we are going to melt this paraffin wax into complete liquid state, and after doing that we'll be pouring it in our silicone molds. So I have set the molds and now I am pouring melted wax into our molds. I have added a white color to my melted wax to get a nice opaque kind of effect, and my mold was having a bit of green color, so you can see a greenish hue over here. I cleaned my mold my vessel completely, but I don't know how that piece of green wax was there, but no issues. This color is quite light, so I can still work with this. I'm getting a nice pista green kind of shade in my candle. Now I will let this set till it becomes a bit solidified, and then before it gets completely hard we'll have to demold it to fix the wick, as we do in all these types of molds where we don't have holes in the molds. Now let's demold our candles. It's a bit soft from inside, as I said. So guys, as you can see, I have fixed the wick in both the rectangular candles, and one vertically and one horizontally. Now I'm going to stick these tissues and decoupage them on our candles. So for this horizontal one I'm going to use this blue bird, and for the vertical one I'm going to use this orange bird. We'll start with the horizontal first. Apply good thin coat of Mod Podge all over the candle. Apply it evenly. Now I'll be removing the layers which are there behind this napkin. And gently adjusting the design, I'll stick it. Make sure there are no wrinkles formed while sticking it on your candle. See how smoothly I have stuck it. Press it gently all over the candle. And with the help of scissor, remove the extra napkin. You can apply it on both sides of the candles. In this one, I am applying it only on the front side. See, this is how I have stuck it. Now I have to wait for this layer of Mod Podge to dry completely, and then I'll apply another coat on the top of this napkin. Now let's move forward to this one. So this is how I have decoupaged on all 3 candles. Now apply a thin coat of Mod Podge from the top. Apply it very gently, because we have to take care of the finishing of the candle as well. So we don't want any wrinkles. Guys, these types of candles you will not find anywhere in the market. They are completely handmade, personalized candles. So that is the beauty of handmade things, that you can work as per your choice and you can use all your creativity to make these beautiful pieces. So this way I will complete the third one as well, and once this dries up I'll show you how we can apply a coat of varnish on this. So guys, now I am applying this Itsy Bitsy Decor varnish just to give the shine and glaze to my candles. Guys, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed it yet, I would request all of you to kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon as well, and share this video as much as possible if you like. You can see just by applying a thin single coat of varnish, immediately my candle started shining, and immediately you can see a good glaze on the candles. I'll give you a close-up view so that you can see how nicely it's shining. So guys, this is it. We are done with our 2D decoupaged candles. So guys, this is how my 2D decoupaged candles look like after making. and this is a close-up view of all the 3 candles. I hope you liked today's video, and if you find it helpful, do share your feedback. Also let me know if you want me to make any particular video on candle making. I'll be really happy to help you out. And if you like my channel, if you like today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it as much as possible. So thank you so much once again for watching the video, and keep watching, keep encouraging Enchanting Lights. Till next video we meet. Thank you so much. Bye bye.